Gotta go feed the pigs, Johnny.
That's why they were right there. Also, I thought they're just some friendly pigs. You want me to lift it? Oh, I can't. I can't do that.
Oh my God! I just touched one of them in the nose. It says lift to feed. Oh, I'm sorry, Johnny. Look at the piggies. Look at the piggies. We gotta let the other one get one. Come here. We gotta let Kermit have some. Oh my God, they have teeth. Hold it like that. We gotta go feed them again.
Oh, good. You got the thing up.
Ready? See, the piggies are hungry. Hungry, hungry. We gotta let Kermit get some, Miss Piggy. Oh my God, they have teeth. I forgot.
Oh, God almighty. Look at your hand.
I know.
Yuck.
Let's feed the chickens.
Oh, the chickens try to get the food. Yeah, I would think so. I'd just toss it in there. That wasn't very much, was it?
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to touch you. Roosters too, okay? Roosters. The pigs are eating the rooster food. No fair.
Well, the roosters were eating the pig's food while ago.
Wow, Johnny, look at that chicken. He's got feathers growing on his feet. Is he having fun? Look at that chicken. Look at that chicken.
Uh-oh.
Oh boy. Chicken fight. Oh goodness. Let's go see the ponies.
You gonna shut it off?